Have you been getting this error where there's a cross on your game that you're not able to download, and the code's number is CE30005 and 8? Well, there's only one solution for this. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix this error named CE30005. So this is the cannot download error, and before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm just doing this for you so that you can fix this thing. So my Marvel Spider-Man isn't working right, so I'm gonna go to power, and you're just gonna fully turn off your PlayStation. You're going to fully turn off your PlayStation. It's right there. So don't put it on rest mode. Do not put it on rest mode. Fully off. Not even that. Not even that. Of course you want to do the but. Only just turn off the PlayStation 4. Now turn off. Now it's gonna turn off. Now once it's fully turned off, even the light is gone. The blue light is gone. I'm gonna be right back when it's gone. Okay, so as you can see, it's closed now. So what I'm going to do is you're going to hold the up button, the turning on button, where you turn on your PlayStation. Hold it until it beeps 2 times. All right? Until it beeps 2 times, hold it. Don't press it, and don't press it again. Hold it until you hear 2 beeps. Now, I'm going to hold it. That's the first beep. Keep holding it until you hear the second beep. There you go. Now leave it. Now, what's going to show up is make sure your PlayStation is plugged into a charger or a USB cable, like it says right here. Now the safe mode will pop up once you hear the 2 beeps. Connect the DashLock 4 using the USB cable. Make sure it's connected. The USB cable. This is my USB cable. This is my charger. You could also use any charger that connects to the PlayStation. So, okay, anyway, that's here. Now what you want to do is you want to press the PlayStation button. Now this is going to come. Once this is here, what you want to do is you want to go to the 5th option, rebuild database. Alright, go to the 5th option, rebuild database. Now what this will do is it'll rebuild everything in the database. It won't take out your data of your game or anything. It won't delete anything, so don't worry. It'll just rebuild database. Just do it. It won't do anything to your PlayStation trophies or stuff or your data. Your data will be there. So what you want to do is you want to click X, and then you want to go to OK. Press OK. Now this will take some time. So now my PlayStation is turned on. It's on. So it's rebuilding database now. It says it may take a few hours. Sometimes it says it may take a few hours, but it just says it. It just happened in like 10 minutes, so don't worry about that. So you have to wait for the database to rebuild, as mine is rebuilding. Oops, it's not. I'll be right back once it's here. So wait for it to rebuild. It will take a few minutes. Mine is 3 minutes. So don't worry. So guys, it's almost there. 10 seconds. Rebuilding database. So almost there. So it's already rebuilt. Now it's gonna show that. And please wait. So you enter the PS4 and it will work now. I promise it will work. And if it doesn't work, comment down below. I'll find some more solutions for that. And now that the database is rebuilt, you will get some notifications. Everything will be updated. Now it'll download. Don't worry. Hope that fixed your issue. Hope that fixed your CE issue, the CE30005 issue, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I love you. Bye.